Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you 5 cool LEGO building techniques. My first technique is using a LEGO Technic half pin and putting it into a 1x1 brick so that there are studs on both sides. This is how I made the LEGO Among Us figure. I used the LEGO Technic half pin so that I could have this smooth slope on both sides of the figure. My second technique is making a cool floor design with these pillar-like pieces. What I did was stack them on each other, and then I also put some facing the other direction and repeated this till I got 2 full sides of the floor. Then I made this little scene where I could insert the floor in to show the cool design. It is time to move on to technique 3. Now this technique is for all those people that don't have much of the leaf pieces, like the orange leaf pieces for trees in the fall. I did not have any, so I had to use just these orange pieces, and I kind of stacked them on each other in a very delicate way to kind of make them look like leaves. Now we're on to our 4th technique. This one's very simple and is just using these different snot pieces, which means studs not on top, where it allows you to put bricks on multiple sides all together so you can get studs on every single side. Last but not least, we have the 5th technique, which is one of my favorites. It's using some Harry Potter 1 pieces and putting them in a certain way that kind of makes it look really cool, like a hardwood flooring or some sort of rug pattern. And you just have to align them in opposite facing ways in an order of any sort of design. This step takes a while, but it's worth it. This video has come to an end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.